Louise. I run a family blog on Instagram. It looks a little bit like this. And today I'd like to show you how you can use Adobe Photoshop to create a transparent overlay or a watermark to keep all your branding across social media consistent. So you can take your image like this and just overlay it so that it looks like this and has your name on it. So first I want to click down on the little plus icon to create a new transparent layer. Then I'm going to take my rectangle tool and I'm going to do mine in white and with approximately 12 pixels wide. It's completely up to you how you do this. And then I'm just going to start in one corner and drag that rectangle across so it's just slightly inset from the edges of my square image. Next I want to take my horizontal type tool and I'm just going to type in my Instagram handle. This could be your logo, whatever it is that you want watermarked on your image. Now I'm just going to make mine a tiny bit bigger. Also, this font I've chosen is an additional one. You can activate those in your Creative Cloud tab. Really easy, you just toggle the Activate Font button. So now I'm going to move this down into position. And then clicking back on my rectangle layer, I'm just going to zoom in so that you can see better, so that I can see better what it is that I'm doing. And I'm going to take a hard eraser tool, just sort of medium sized, and I'm going to use that to remove the line of the square that's in behind. And that's really very simply how you create PNG. Now I'm just going to quickly show you how you can resize that so that you don't have to make a new one to use in your Instagram stories. I'm just going to cover this back image in black so that it's much easier for you to see. So now I'm going to come across and select my zoom tool and just zoom out a little bit so it's clearer. And then with my crop tool, use the 9:16 phone screen settings and just drag that up, and so that all of my previous square is included within the new area. Then I'm going to just click on my base layer again and I'm going to go to Edit, Transform and Distort. Then you just want to drag the whole section up to cover the new space. And then simply just click on your rectangle layer and repeat the same process. Edit, Transform, Distort, and drag that one up again as well. And that means you've got now the exact same thing in the right size for your Instagram stories without having to start from scratch. So I can delete my base layer because I don't actually need that, and then save. And I'm going to save it as a PNG file so that it keeps the transparent background. Now I forgot to save the square copy, but that's actually a great opportunity to show you. In the history menu here, you can just go back to any previous step that you want. So I'm going to just go back before I cropped it and then delete the black layer underneath again and save as PNG, and this time I'll just call it a square overlay. And then we've got that ready to use on every single picture that you need it for. So I'll just show you. If I open an image here, then I can go to File and Place Embedded, choose my square overlay image I just created, and boom, there we are. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Adobe and I have made it really easy for you to practice yourself by making the assets I used in the tutorial available for you to download. Just click Help X. And if you do use them on Instagram, please tag me. This is my handle. I would absolutely love to see what you create.